Hi guys, Skip here and welcome to today's midday miracle message. And we are covering today such an important subject, and it really is about you getting the goals and the success and achieving what it is that you want in 2021. And why do so many people fail? Why do so many people start with, it could be anything. You might want to lose weight, you might want to get more money, you want to create great relationships, you might want to have more adventures in life. Doesn't matter what it is. How come people are starting stuff and not following through and not getting the results that they want? So they're not being fulfilled, they're not discovering more parts of themselves, and they end up sacrificing themselves as part of the journey. Here's why. And it all comes down to a couple of things. One, you need to be in certain environments where you're being fed life at the highest level. Now, what do I mean by this? You're absorbing stuff. Think about this. Think about the 5 senses that allow you to see stuff, hear stuff, smell stuff, taste stuff, touch stuff, feel stuff. All of these things, all of these senses allow you to have an experience of life. Now, as you're absorbing all this stuff, you might not be consciously aware, but you might have the news on in the background. You could have some drama on TV. Hey Isaac, hello mate. You may have a family member discussing something that may not be of a very, it might not have a very high level of consciousness, but you're absorbing all of this stuff. So one thing that we know we've got to do is what you hang around is what you become. So what you've got to do is make sure that you're starting to choose to hang around people that are super high frequency, that you're choosing to hang around people who are super successful. You're choosing to hang around people who are the front runners in their fields of expertise. And you might be like, hang on a minute, Skip, I'm in lockdown. I can't hang around anyone. So this is where we're using technology so that you can start to keep connected, and by having this connection consistently, then you can start to get the results, because everyone's looking for these massive leaps. But having a massive leap in life, if you're not prepared, would be like someone who's unfit, they're overweight, they might have some health symptoms, and you, I don't know, put them in to run a marathon. It would literally kill them. Or if I took someone to do, like, say, one of my workouts, they break down. But yet, if every day we start to give you a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, then what can start to increase? Your energy. What can start to increase? Your immunity. What else can start to increase? Your happiness. What can start to increase? Your money, your success, your understanding of who you truly are, not by the illusion of who you think you might be. I can tell you now that there's more greatness within you than you've even tapped into. Now, one of the things that we're going to be doing, what we've got coming up, so stay tuned, because we're going to be running a 5-day challenge. Now, I'm going to be actually giving that away free of charge. We're going to start it on the 18th, so please write this down in your diary. 18th of January, block this time out. 9:30 in the morning, we're going to be going for about 90 minutes to 2 hours every day from the 18th. So please write that down. Now, from some of you, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to be covering, come tomorrow, we're going to be able to give you a link to get you registered for what this 5-day challenge is all about, so that you can supercharge your 2021. We're super excited about it. We're giving this to you. We want you to invite your friends, your loved ones, your family members, so that we can all start to rise together by learning the truth. And I'm going to share with you some unbelievable nuggets within these 5 days. And by showing up live, we're going to give you some more stuff as well. But if you don't want to wait to then, and you want to start getting the best results possible, then you can come and join us at Club Supercharge. I put the link up there for Club Supercharge. Come through at the page, get yourself enrolled. It works out at less than £1 a day for us to not just have a connection every day, but for me to be able to guide you through something every day. It's going to take between 30 and 40 minutes every single day, every single weekday. And we're going to be doing stuff to give this thing, what you live in, more energy, more strength, more balance, more immunity, more love, more happiness, more balance, more alignment, more of all the good stuff that's going to serve you. And we get to be together every single day pretty much to make sure that you're just getting the best out of life. And for less than £1 a day, it's a no-brainer. If you go up there and you click that link now, what you're going to understand is that if you opt for the year, I end up giving you about a month totally for free. So it's even less than £1 a day. And all we want to do through these challenging times, Kerry goes, the 5 days will be epic. Oh my God, they're going to be amazing. They're going to be absolutely awesome. And we're going to be covering all subjects. I'll go through in tomorrow's Midday Miracle Message what we're going to be going through on each of the days, but it's going to be life-changing. It's the stuff that humanity needs so much in these crazy times. The world's going to keep getting crazier. We don't have to. We can get empowered no matter what season we're in, no matter how crazy life is getting at the moment. We can always learn how to be empowered at the highest levels so that you keep producing results, that you keep understanding that you are creating your reality. Because in life, please understand this, in life, nothing means anything until we pin a meaning on it. So what meanings do we want to be pinning on things? Things where we get empowered or things where we get disempowered? The challenge at the moment is information is coming in and bam, we go and respond to it with a knee-jerk reaction, and usually that's leaving people off balance. Usually that's putting people into a position where they're like, I'm stressed, I'm frustrated, I've got anxiety, I've got challenges going on up here. And you know if you've got challenges going on up here, 100% it's going to filter down and then there'll be challenges here. And it doesn't need to be that way. What I've learned is that the bigger the challenge, the bigger the blessing. And that's what I got. The first time I got that was when I got told I was never going to walk again and I broke my back. And they said, you're going to be living your life in a wheelchair. And practicing what it is that I want to teach you, not only did I have a full recovery, I went back to the sport and gained the English championship title for sports acrobatics. I want to be able to show you how you can be a champion of any area of your life, how you can be a champion in your business, you can be a champion in your relationships, you can be a champion within your own mind and body, you can be a champion when it comes to attracting money, you can be a champion when it comes to creating whatever you want to create in this crazy game of life, so that you get what we call the balance and the alignment, and all of a sudden you get to wake up every day in the driving seat of your life. So that's what we're doing. If you want to come and join us on Club Supercharged, just go up there, click that link. As I said, for less than £1 a day, it's the biggest no-brainer offer we've ever put out. Total no-brainer. We just want to make sure that you are boosting your immunity, you're boosting your energy levels, you're connecting to the truth every single day. And it's in that truth that you will find your freedom. So I hope that this has served you at some level. If it has served you at some level, then type below. In fact, let me know now, what do you want to achieve in 2021? Type it below. Because here's the thing, every time you put it down, it's going deeper into the subconscious part of your brain. And it's the subconscious part of your brain which is where all the power happens. And what will play out consciously is what comes from the subconscious. The challenge is so many people's programming is detracting them from the truth. It's ripping life away from them. And these are like running default programs that no longer work. Or it's like running an out-of-date app. We've got to update the apps. We get ourselves updated. We start to plug into life at a high level. And that's what I want for you guys, is to be able to get that in the best ways possible. So if you've got anything from this little message today, from today's Midday Miracle Message, please do like it. Please do share it. Please comment below and let me know. As Isaac said, he goes, well, money and relationships. Brilliant. So what we're going to do in these 5 days is, and also within these 5 days, we want to get you to get total clarity, because Kerry says financial freedom. Brilliant. So there's a little bit more of a description there. So when it says money and relationship, what we want to do is get super, super clear on that. And we're going to be going through that on one of the days. Michael says, I've joined midway. Where's the link? Okay, so the link for... oh, excuse me. I just sneezed. So the link for Club Supercharge, which is £1 a day, where we're going to be live with you every day, every weekday, live with you at the weekends as well, doing stuff for the body and the mind and the spirit. It's awesome in Club Supercharge. That link is up there, and the link to register for the 5-day challenge so that you can learn how to supercharge 2021, we'll be giving that link tomorrow. So Anne-Sophie says, health and growing my company. Beautiful stuff. So every time you write that stuff down, it goes bam, it goes in deeper, it goes in deeper. On this 5-day challenge, we're going to get you super clear on all of this stuff to make sure that you've got all areas covered. Because if you haven't got all areas covered, what's going to happen is you're only going to be as strong as your weakest link. So you might have health covered, but then say the business is suffering, bam, those links are going to break, and then it starts to bring all other elements down. When we got that balance and that alignment, we're unshakable. And we're unshakable in the truth. We're unshakable in living out our purpose. We're unshakable in going out and taking the necessary action steps to move things forward. Because what our world needs now is more leaders, and that's what we want to help you, is to be able to lead yourself to an extraordinary quality of life, to a life of miracles, to a life by your design, not by what somebody else thinks you should live. So if you have got any value from this, as I said, please do like it, please do share it. We will be live. Those of you that are in Club Supercharge, I'm going live today. We've got another workout inside Club Supercharge at 5 p.m. today. We're also with Club Supercharge at 7:30 in the morning, live again. And I will see the rest of you at 12 o'clock tomorrow for tomorrow's midday miracle message. So come and join us tomorrow, and for this little boost of life, little boost of a little golden nugget, something that you can take and use and apply, whether it's another level of awareness. Ruth says, I want to help people like me sitting in a wheelchair. They can get a job. Beautiful. Look at that. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Beautiful stuff. So yes, tomorrow we'll have the link for the 5-day challenge. If you want to come and join us for Club Supercharge, as I said, go and grab the early bird offer. It's there right now. It's less than £1 a day. We're not going to keep it at that for long. So grab that opportunity. Come and be a part of us. And we look forward to serving you at super, super high levels. And remember this, the secret of living is giving, but who's the first person you got to give to? Yourself. You can't give what you haven't got. So we want to teach you how to give yourself life at the highest level so that you can go and share that, because that's leadership at another level. So have a beautiful day. Live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. For now, I'm out of here.